customer importers, have you been looking for a short, cheap way, the cheapest way to pay your Chinese suppliers? Yes, not just cheapest way, legit, 100% legit way. Then go nowhere, because here in this video I'll be exposing my suppliers, my exchangers contacts to you, and also 2 group link contacts. You heard me right. So even if you want to be an exchanger, or you want to even make money selling RMB, selling yuan, then this video is for you. Yes, because there they post yuan at the cheapest rate. You can't see the rate anywhere. And remember, as an importer, where you get your RMB matters a lot if you want to make profit in importation business. Welcome back to your channel. Here in this channel, talk about how to make legit money online, importation business growth. Now we'll talk about RMB. Some persons might be saying, well, what is RMB? But like, RMB is also yuan. This is the currency Chinese collect. They don't charge, they don't, you don't pay Chinese supplier using your naira, apart from those that are already upgraded that has naira accounts, but not all of them. Like your Chinese shopping apps, you pay them using your yuan. Yes, and which is RMB. So it's very important. And when you get your RMB so high, definitely your products will be so high. That is why you see some pre-order groups are higher than the other one. Not because some of them don't know where to get their RMB. Some of them are getting RMB high rates, and it will also affect their sales. But when you get your RMB at a very low rate, it will also make your sales affordable, and which will bring in more customers to you, right? Yes. So that's why I decided, I said, I'm going to be dropping the links. I'll drop in the contacts. These people are 100% legit. I don't bring anyhow thing to my channel, so they're 100% legit. Even if you want to buy close to 10 million, 20 million, they are good to go. Yes, they won't scam you. And please don't go and chat with anyone. I did not drop the contact here. I'm going to be displaying it on my screen so that you can also copy out and chat them up. Yes, chat them up. And once you just chat them up, tell them you're from CEO, they will understand. Then ask them, please, I want to join your group. Yes, they will add you to the group. Or you also check through my description. I'll be dropping the link there. All right. Or you can chat me up to add you to the group. Any one of your choice. And I'm in that group, so no cost to alarm. I also buy from them. Yeah. So that is what I have to say. And RMB, remember, yes, some persons importing don't know that there are different type of RMB. You have clean funds and dirty funds. So that is why where you get your RMB matters a lot. If you get dirty funds, it can affect your Alipay. Not just that, it will affect your suppliers, because they know when it's dirty funds and when it's clean funds. I remember one of my students went ahead and got RMB because of I was like, let me get from these people. He went and got from one place like that, and it really affected her. Alipay had to restrict her accounts. Yes, Alipay restricted her account. Mainly they noticed that. Then later on they started asking her to do some verification and all that, which she later did to recover that account. She said they were just asking her different questions and all that. And when you send bad funds to your suppliers, it can ensure the suppliers will really get angry with you, because they won't use it for anything. So that's why you need to be careful where you're getting your Alipay, your yuan, where you're getting your RMB, so you don't get bad funds. Yeah, so you don't get bad funds, so you get clean funds. And this content that I'm dropping sells only clean funds, 100% clean funds. I've been buying from them more than years now, and I've not been affected by bad funds or all that. Yes, so if you are an importer and you want to get your RMB legitly and you want to get clean funds, then don't forget to join this group. All right, join this group. Contact them to do so. And when you're contacting them, tell them from GenCU, so they will know that, okay, because they don't add anyhow person to the group. Yes, they are very careful kind of people they add, because there are a lot of scammers online, so they don't ask. So when you're joining, tell them you hello friend, I saw your contact on Genesio's channel. By so doing, they will be aware that okay, this person is an importer, and they will just add you. But if you just go and chat them and say add me to the group, they will not answer, because them too, they want to protect their group. They want to protect their group. They don't want any scam behavior or anything happening in the group. All right, so you need to ask. So even the other group, I'll also be dropping the link. When you join, they will also ask you who introduced you, so let them know. All right, so that they will know that you are legit. All right, that's all for now, and I want to appreciate you all for engaging in my other videos. I'm super grateful for your love and for your support on this channel. Now don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, and turn on the notification bell so it will notify you once I post videos. See you in my next video.